Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I'm starting out with this again. I'm going to start out every video telling you that I am giving this away on Instagram. At 200,000 followers, I'm giving away this Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in monogram, the most sought after handbag from Louis Vuitton, hardest to get your hands on. I am giving it away to you guys when I reach 200,000 followers on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. My handle is always left below in the description box. First up, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is my good friend Nabe. Nabe first came onto the public scene when he was featured in the TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and he is truthfully the most gorgeous guy ever. He is not only a lovely personality and just so genuine. He has used his platform in a really important message and important way, especially for the youth in his age. He is a huge patriot to his country, Armenia, and he shows that on his Instagram platform. He has started his own clothing line, and I was lucky enough to pick up a piece, but this is his gorgeous hoodie from Neutral by Nabe, and it's so cute. It features the little blue like anti-social butterfly which is going around, you know, social media, but I think it's just so gorgeous. So this is the grey and it's just got neutral and it's plain on the back and it's a hoodie. It is really soft and cozy, you guys. It's got little pockets in the front. Perfect for staying at home loungewear. I think black, nude, this grey, and he does them in a suit. But I am going to totally enjoy this hoodie, and I just think he is so fantastic, and I wanted to support him with his new clothing line, so thank you, Nabe. Okay, now I am going to admit this is 110% a straight off rip-off video from Miss Angelique. Hi babe. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, she is so gorgeous. I will link her below. But I just saw her do this video the other day and I was like, hello, amazing. I totally want to do my kind of reinterpretation of it. There's a twist on mine because as you can see in the title, it also says unboxing. I'm doing it again. I will show you. I will unbox this item. Angelique did this saying that she was looking for a new, she's like, oh, I would like to look for a new Louis Vuitton handbag, mostly monogram. So she did the 5 hottest monogram bags from Louis Vuitton sort of right now. So let's get into this. I am going to start off with, I have some of these bags that I'm listing. If I don't have them, I will pop a picture in here exactly like Angelique did. I'm gonna start with this guy, and I'm starting with it in the classic monogram. I do have the reverse. I managed to get my hands on the reverse because I regretted it. I'm currently using it as my current handbag, and it's in my like crossbody or, you know, shoulder setting where you just hook it onto the back, not set up as a backpack. Hottest ticket item, still is the hottest ever since way back when they first released it. I'm gonna say somewhere around 2017. I feel like I unboxed that and then regretted it, but this is the plain monogram, and for some reason I gravitate to this. Not saying like I haven't used that, I'm just saying I gravitate to the all over monogram a lot quicker these days. Maybe it's a little bit more carefree. I don't know why. That doesn't make any sense. This is my number one. They're in no particular order. Doesn't mean it's number one. It just means that's one. I want to say two is this guy, but it's just so mean. It's mean to say that this is the hottest, but if that's what we're going for and the topic is the hottest monogram Louis Vuitton bags, then this is definitely obviously up there. It is so sought after, and I get that, and I get why it holds a ton. I don't know, I actually am gonna go out and say getting the mini HL, and yes, it doesn't come with the strap. However, this strap is not detachable, and you can buy an extra strap, Vachette strap, or whether like you get a strap from like the companies that are doing extra straps, like Organize My Bag and Samorga. I think it is obviously amazing because it is a mini version of a Speedy, so it's like the cutest thing ever. But definitely, you know, if you're really wanting to get your hands on it, keep fighting for it. They are out there. It's lies if your essay tells you they're not out there, because they are out there. I wasn't going to put it in there as a number, but we'll say it's like 1.5. Like what I did there. Okay, so as I said, I have these bags, but still, I would have thrown pictures in if I didn't have them, for sure, because the topic is the hottest, and it is still up there with the hottest Louis Vuitton bags. And I know it's controversial, and a lot of people are like, what? I just don't get it. It's so busy. There's so much happening, yada, yada, yada. But once you get into it, and once you start to lay it out and see how it works for you and what you might want to individually use or use all together, it gets you. Trust me. It gets you. I've used this all separately. I've used it all together. I've, you know, taken the strap off, used the strap on other things. The Louis Vuitton monogram multi-pochette, the classic multi-pochette with the rose clair webbing strap that comes with it. I'm gonna say it's still a hot ticket item, definitely. Definitely a hot ticket item. You know, you're downsizing, but so that comes in at number 2. Okay, this number 3 is similar to the Nano Speedy, however, it is the hot ticket item. I called it as the hot ticket item of last year, 2020, and that is the Louis Vuitton heart bag, or the sac cour. The sac cour. This was in the Game On collection, and it was epically hard to get your hands on. I'm starting to hear rumors that they're back in production, so I feel it's fair to come in at number 3 because it's not maybe that rare to get soon. I think it's coming back into production and more readily available, especially in the States. I know it was more readily available in China and parts of Europe. It was far easier to get your hands on, but down here in Australia, and I've heard in the USA, super rare to get your hands on. Definitely number 3 of the hottest monogram Louis Vuitton bags. Okay, let's keep it going. Number 4. This is like a 4.5, 4. 3.5, 4. Angelique did say both of these bags as well. She mentioned them as possibilities for her to purchase and hottest monogram bags by Louis Vuitton, and I 100% agree. They're in my hands. I agree. And I'll start with this iconicness. And you guys know my whole story about Posh Amity. The Posh Amities and me were like this, point blank, period. The most amazing, useful handbag. It really is. It is almost in line with like the iconicness of a Speedy, 100%. I will reach for this bag when I don't know, when I can't think and I just don't want to care. I will reach for this like, you know, like it's a Longchamp, a Target bag, anything. It is so carefree to me and my mindset that that's how it is to me. I have had it in all over monogram. I have had it in reverse monogram, Angelique. She's thinking about it in reverse monogram. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. That black microfiber lining is just so luxe. Like, they did this bag so well. You've heard me rave about it. It's boring now how much I've raved about it. This is definitely hottest monogram bag from Louis Vuitton. Why I'm halving it is because this is so innovative. And I said that in my last video of best and worst. It's so innovative, and I'm always going to stand by saying that the proportion, the design, layout and structure, the different differentiations of design in this bag is just perfection. They nailed it. The design team deserve, you know, kudos for it. It comes with kind of everything that you would want, and for the price tag, it's worth it. I'm gonna say that same price tag as a Palace. Yes, it's a small bag, but you have so much going on. It is worth it. Okay, let's wrap this up. As I said, with a twist, because my number 5 is in this box. I had it on my doorstep yesterday, and we are gonna unbox it in this video. This just feels like deja vu. Let's do this together, shall we? So, fingers crossed. That's all I'm gonna say. Fingers crossed that might give it away. That this is perfection. Slide. Is it a drawstring? Oh, that's nice. That's nice, girl. Spoiler, the last one wasn't in a drawstring bag. But is it in better? Oh, it's the same one. Oh. It literally is just pretty much the same bag. I did not order this through Emma, my SA, but this is a live unboxing of a fail, showing you what it was like last time. Shame on you, Louis Vuitton. How has this happened twice to me now? Look at this bag. This is $3,400 less. $3,400. I think it just went up to $550. That is exactly when I was telling you guys in like, or I'll throw in a picture of how it looked. Is that not embarrassing or what? No, I'm not even going, see, I'm not even going. People ask why you return. Are you listening? Come closer, come closer. The year of returns, oh, she only returns. Yes, $3,400. Of course you're going to return. It looks like a pancake. Back in the bag it goes. I actually think it's the same bag. That is so bad. I'm calling Emma right now, letting her know I purchased it online, but I need her to get me it, double check, triple check, stuff it, and send it to me. That was the biggest fail of an unboxing. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that with a little twist. A fail of a twist. So biggest shout out to Nabe. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, doll. I'm so excited for your clothing line. If you have not gone and followed me on Instagram, please go ahead and do it because I truthfully am giving this away. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, I'd super appreciate it, guys. There is a button below. If you give this video a thumbs up, I would also appreciate that. That helps us YouTubers out so much for our content. Hope everybody is staying safe out there and having a great start to the year. I wish you all well. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.